everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set Waze application as your default navigation app in your Android phone. So first you are going to go and install Waze application if you don't have it, and if you have it you're just going to long press on it, and then you are going to open the info about the application, or just simply you can go through the settings of your phone, you select apps and then you go and click on Waze. And then you will find yourself here. You will find different options about this application. You are going to select the default, set as default. You're going to open this one, and here as you can see you will find the first option, open supported links. For you, you are going to find it enabled, just like this. You are going to enable this one, and that's it. Now whenever you want to navigate or to have a link, it will be opened by default and automatically through your Waze application. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.